Pauly will tell us about the harnesses this morning and show us what the benefit is of a MAXSAFE harness designed in New Zealand. It's all a bit up-spec for our harsh climate in New Zealand, so he will show us a little bit more and tell us more about those harnesses.
Yeah, we've got a couple of ranges over here where we, here at MAXSAFE, we've actually manufactured and designed our own range of harnesses and products. Most of our products here in MAXSAFE are ASNZS, certified and designed, and we've gone with the best quality as well. We've chosen to go with the best NC snap hooks, which have the strongest gates you can get, our line, all our conventional rope. It's all designed and made in-house. And our harnesses, we've designed our harnesses with our own stitching patterns, which, believe it or not, there's a big design in the stitching itself when it comes to having a fall on a harness. We've gone with the full padding design just to give you more comfort, because you're wearing these harnesses all day, so you want to be comfortable. And second to none with that is if you do happen to have a fall, the padding in a harness will actually help reduce the forces on your body. So there's reasons for it, and we'll put a lot of work into these harnesses, and we get great comments. We sell a lot of them. People that wear them, they wear them all day, they love them. So we're very fortunate.
So we got, what is that harness? So that's a professional harness, right?
So we have, yep, yes.
And what is that? What is that?
So what we've got at the back here, so this is our professional premium construction harness, good for roofers. We've got tool, you can clip your tools onto here. We've got a hand grip, so...
As on your one there? Was that the same?
This one here is exactly the same. You can see I've got my drill, I've got my tool lanyard, which is a must when working at heights. Not only is it going to save people that are walking around below you, it's also going to save and protect your tools if you drop them. Because if they hit the concrete, as we know, they're very expensive. We don't want them to be broken into 1,000 pieces, but you can see how I've connected to the tool connection at the back of the harness. That way it's all out of the way. And we've also got a handle on the back here as well. For any reason, you can also connect things to that, but the reason for that is someone can pull you back in if you've accidentally, fallen, or it's a good handle for it.
So Daniel, as far as I know, you got 3 different versions here, and that's a professional version with the tool belt, or with the belt here on the bottom?
Yes. So we've got 3 ranges. So we've got a construction range, we have a construction, we have a roofer's harness, and then we have a tower harness for that more advanced work for people working on big towers, big construction where they've actually got to do a lot of rope access. And then we also have those who are just doing basic work on a roof. We've got just a basic trade harness, very simple. Most people would have seen these. They're very simple, cost-effective harness.
But they're still the same stitching patterns as the big ones, and
yes.
The ASNZ hooks, the thicker ones, the heavy-duty version of it. So it's actually really good buy.
All our harnesses, the backbones are exactly the same. So this is what we call the backbone. In our premium range, the backbone is all exactly the same. So the design difference is obviously the padding and all the bells and whistles on the premium range. But the stitching and the stitching design, that's our own MAXSAFE stitching pattern design, obviously plays a big part if you have a fall on the harness for reducing any forces on your body, or the way that the stitching pattern releases when the force goes onto it.
I've got something else here. I just saw that before. What is that? So you can open that up?
So that's the one. Now inside there,
okay.
So that's all the qualifications, the design specs and qualifications of the harness.
And what size it is and so on.
It gives you the size of the harness and all the specifications, all of the design manufacturing specifications on there. And you also, your harness should be, any height safety gear should be inspected by a competent person annually, so every 12 months. Depending on your company policies are sometimes 6 months. So when you do an inspection, you can also, there's an inspection page in there as well that you can put your date on there, so then you know you can check it, see that the harness has been checked, it's dated, and it's good to go for 12 months.
So if I've got multiple people in my company I write the names in here? Usually they say you shouldn't put any names on a harness, right?
Yeah, definitely you don't want to write, especially with a vivid, because it's got an alcohol content to it, and that can actually damage the webbing, so definitely don't write on the harness. You can certainly put the name on here or inside, but sometimes we just put our name. I know my harness, I've got my name on the top here, which is perfectly fine. And it's easy for people to see.
So I just see them, maybe you can't see that, but it says here large to X large.
Yes.
How many different sizes have you got?
So we run two different sizes. So we run small to medium basically, and then a large to extra large.
Okay.
Yeah. So we've just stuck with the two designs, and that's just within the length that we've allowed for the adjustments. So obviously, if you're a small guy, you can still fit into a large to XL. You're just going to have too much excess strapping, so it's not going to be a good fit. It's not going to be a comfortable fit when you've got to wear it well.
Am I allowed to cut something off if
No.
No, okay.
Definitely no cutting.
Right. Just asking. Good.
If someone does see a harness that's been cut or changed or in any way, then you must try tag it out.